Hello, my name is Juan Pablo Ramirez Espinosa. I was born in the city of Bogota on October 13, 2007 at the Forest Clinic located at car 8 107. 2 years later, I went to live in Melgar. For 10 years in which I did my study in the Liceo Campestre La Chimán, donde where either this going live Soacha, where the first year I'm student in the Instituto Tecnológico Los Andes, and I'm the current year in the Gimnasio Nueva Bolívar, where call we say I don't find.